Hey guys, welcome back to my channel. I'm back with a new video. So in today's video, I'm going to unbox my new MPOW 59 LITE wireless headphones. And also we are on the road to reach 180 subscribers in my channel, so make sure to hit the subscribe button along with the notification bell so to be notified. Let's get started. Once we open the box from the outside, so from the inside now they have given this packet with the cable and also a wire to the headset. And of course this is the headset with the packet, and also have given the manual and some cards which shows the instructions how to use it. So this is gonna be the headset I'm going to show you guys. Yes, this is it. Love how adorable it is, and I think this is very small. And from the inside of the box video, comment below if you have any questions, and also make sure to hit the subscribe button along with the bell icon, so whenever I post any video you will be notified. So see you guys in the next video. This is Smart signing off. Stay crazy. Peace.